In today's video, I will walk you through how to use texture spines in Krita. To use texture spines, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the brush presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type texture spines. Once the texture spines brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger texture area, or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed spine effects. The texture spines brush in Krita is useful for adding sharp, spiky, and texture details to your artwork. It is a good choice when creating rough surfaces, natural elements, creature details, hair-like textures, or adding unique patterns and effects. Use a larger brush size when covering bigger areas with texture, and use a smaller brush size when adding fine details and precise effects. After selecting the texture spines brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying texture effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use texture spines in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.